Tonight, the powerful retaliation the U.S. had promised, unleashing a major counterstrike on Iran-backed militants in Iraq and Syria, a direct response to the drone attack that killed 3 American soldiers and injured more than 40 on a remote U.S. base in Jordan. The U.S. saying the airstrikes began at 4 p.m., hitting 85 targets in 7 locations inside Iraq and Syria, including command and control operations centers and intelligence hubs, taking out rockets, missiles, and attack drones belonging to militia groups and their Iranian sponsors, who facilitated attacks against U.S. and coalition forces. The U.S. dropping more than 125 precision munitions from multiple aircraft, including B-1 bombers that flew from the U.S.
North Korea launches its 4th weapons test in just over a week, firing cruise missiles into the sea. Tests carried out in the past month include ones on a hypersonic missile and new submarine-launched cruise missile. On Friday, state media also released photos of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un inspecting the construction of warships in a shipyard in the city of Nampo. Kim reportedly said strengthening the Navy is an important part of Pyongyang's preparations for war.
The United Nations top court has cleared the way to hear Ukraine's case against Russia's 2022 invasion. The International Court of Justice in The Hague has ruled that it does have jurisdiction to hear part of Ukraine's complaint. The Kyiv government brought the case only days after Russia's invasion in February 2022. Its main argument is that Russia falsely accused Ukraine of genocide to justify invading it.
The Ukrainian intelligence service published a video saying it showed an Ukrainian naval drone successfully attacking a Russian warship near Crimea. According to Ukrainian media, Russian search and rescue operations in the area were unsuccessful, implying all crew members died. Moscow has not issued any comments on the incident yet.
At least 3 people have been killed in a gas explosion and fire in the Kenyan capital, Nairobi. According to the Kenyan Red Cross, hundreds more were injured. A government spokesperson said that the fire broke out around midnight after a truck loaded with gas canisters exploded. It then spread to nearby homes and businesses. Firefighters have extinguished the blaze, and an investigation into the cause of the incident is underway.